Quality control, QC, and quality assurance, QA, are two distinct but related concepts in the field of product or service quality management. Quality control refers to the activities and processes that are undertaken to ensure that a product or service meets specified quality requirements. It involves inspecting, testing, and evaluating the product or service at various stages of production or delivery to identify and correct any defects or deviations from the desired quality standards. Quality control is often associated with detecting and addressing issues after they have occurred, focusing on the final output. On the other hand, quality assurance refers to the systematic activities and processes implemented to ensure that quality requirements are met throughout the entire product or service lifecycle. QA is a proactive approach that emphasizes prevention rather than detection and correction. It involves creating and implementing processes, procedures, and standards that help prevent defects or quality issues from arising in the first place. QA focuses on planning, documenting, and continuously improving processes to achieve consistent quality. In summary, quality control is concerned with detecting and addressing defects or deviations from quality standards after they have occurred, while quality assurance focuses on preventing defects and ensuring quality throughout the entire product or service lifecycle. Both QC and QA are important components of a comprehensive quality management system and work together to deliver products or services that meet customer expectations.